Hi guys, having another look at these 3D printed wind-up cars designed by Greg Gzumwalts. That was the first one I did and it went very nicely. Got a good distance with it, but with this one, because it's all directly connected, when the spring is unwound, the car stops moving because it's all connected together, so it can't freewheel. This is his next version, which has an idler gear in it, I think we can call it. Don't know if we can see it there. That one, which drops out of position so that the wheels can freewheel when the spring's finished turning. That was the original wheels, and I found I was getting wheel spin with it. Terrible wheel spin. I even tried using a rubber mat to stop the wheels spinning on takeoff, and we just weren't getting the distance. So I thought, if I'm getting wheel spin, there's plenty of power there, we'll try a bigger wheel. So I tried that last night and I was still getting wheel spin. So overnight I printed these even bigger wheels and we'll try them out and see if they've cut down the wheel spin. Obviously, being bigger wheels, we should get a greater distance anyway under power, because for the same number of revolutions a bigger wheel will obviously travel further, but it needs more power, and we seem to have plenty of power. That was 45mm diameter, that was 90mm diameter, and these are 110mm diameter. Still smaller than the CDs that I use for most of my cars, so that might be the ultimate. Stick CDs on it. Anyway, we'll give this a run now. Still getting wheel spin. I can't believe that. I could have made the wheels thicker and heavier, but I'm surprised by that. Okay, well, we'll use the launch mat. That gives us extra grip. No, still not enough grip. Now we're using the trick I use on my rubber band powered cars. I've cut strips off some old rubber gloves. As you can see, they are old ones. So they just stretch around the wheels and they act as rubber tyres. So we'll give them a run. Well, that made a difference, didn't it? If you're wondering, that's just about 8 meters we just did, and it hit the wall with quite some force. Oh, went left a bit. Just for comparison, we got the same distance and probably faster. Smaller wheels would be faster acceleration, but this one's got a bigger spring on it. Summary time. Well, they both work fine. That one flew along. This one should go further. It certainly goes as far as I can make it run in my kitchen anyway. This one has a smaller spring on it. That one's a thinner spring, thinner that way. This one's thicker, but diameter wise that one's bigger. Either way, they both work. This one freewheels, that one went the whole distance under power. I love these are brilliant. If I was doing any changes to that one, I'd make the front a little bit longer, because I've put those big wheels on it. It's a rather short wheelbase now, so I would have extended them out the front a little bit more. But I just couldn't get it to run with the small wheels. Looking at Greg's video, he does a video comparing the two, but he's got completely different wheels on his, so maybe I didn't download the right files. Maybe this was his early version and he's updated them. Anyway, plenty of links in the video description, so if you want to make your own, check out Greg's files and his videos. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.